Hey, welcome to today's video. If at all you are new to this channel, welcome. If at all you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much and I appreciate your effort to always watch my videos. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best recipe to achieve soft layered chapatis. Kindly watch to the end because this one is going to make your work easier. These are some of the things you'll need. You need a plastic container where you'll mix your dough. You need a cooking stick because we are going to use very hot water that you cannot easily touch using your hands. You also need some salt. For me, I only use salt because I love the taste. Some people prefer mixing salt and sugar. Some people use sugar only, but for me, I prefer using salt. I use liquid cooking oil, though I've heard people say that if you use solid oil, it's better, but I've never tried that. Use flour of your choice, the one that you feel is the best for you. As you can see in this video, I've used X flour. The first step is to add salt to your hot water. My first secret is using hot water. The hot water helps a lot, and the moment you use it to cook your chapatis, you will never go wrong. And then, after mixing salt and water to taste, that is according to your preference, add that water to your flour and start kneading. Knead until it gets off the container, whether it's a plastic one or a metallic one, whatever you'll choose. Knead until it's off your hands and the container. And remember, we washed our hands thoroughly before we started this video. The most difficult part is the kneading part. The first phase of kneading is quite hectic, but you have to use a lot of energy and knead continuously. Then I usually use my glass, put my oil, and then use half of it in my chapati, depending on the amount of chapati. As you can see, this is a whole family chapati. I am going to achieve several chapatis from this dough. So continue kneading. Remember, we did not add any oil in the beginning. You only add oil after you've done the first phase and the flour or the dough is off your hands. Continue kneading until your hands are totally clean and the oil is fully absorbed in the dough. As you can see, my hands are totally clean and I did not wash it. It cleans as you continue working on your dough. My dough is almost ready because it's not even sticking on my hands, it's not sticking on the container, and I usually use my hands to test. When I press deep inside, it comes out clean. It means some good work is going on. So my dough is ready and I'm going to cover it for about 10 minutes. I don't usually leave it for so long. I just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then I continue with the next stage. After that, I usually use my surface. After cleaning it, I use it and cut the dough into 2 pieces or sections, and as you can see, my knife is coming out very clean. I put it on the surface and sometimes I don't even apply oil or flour onto the surface because the dough is perfect. Apply some oil onto it, and this one is going to help in forming the layers. Just apply enough oil, around 4 tablespoons, and spread. And then my shortcut is that another secret, I cut through using a knife. I don't roll pieces per piece, that is, I just cut through using a knife and I form my pieces of chapati. This process is usually tedious if at all you are going to cut one dough at a time or one piece at a time, then you roll, apply oil, then you cut another one again. It's tedious, but if you use this method, you are going to save a lot of time. Imagine making family chapati in 1 hour or less than 1 hour. This is my favorite part, rolling the chapatis. I've never found any challenge or faced any challenge in rolling my chapatis. I spread them evenly and touch the edges, because if you don't do that, your edges will turn out thick, and that is already a negative sign. If at all you are new here and you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, because this is a place where I give you tips. Even this chapati recipe, I've realized that many people are struggling to cook good chapatis. That is why I said, let me share the knowledge I have, because by sharing, you even become better. Don't forget to subscribe. By the way, I have achieved 200 subscribers and I'm still moving on. I started this thing as a joke and I can see things are turning out well. Tell a friend to tell a friend, share with a friend the video so that we can support one another and we learn together. Kindly watch to the end and ensure you try. Let me know in the comment section below if you tried this recipe and if at all it worked for you. Share your experiences on how you found the recipe. And if at all you've been struggling to make soft chapatis, kindly share. Let us know what the challenge is. At first, my challenge was achieving the soft chapatis. I could cook soft chapatis today, then tomorrow they are not soft. So that is why I decided to do a lot of research and practice more. And I found this recipe to be the best recipe for me. for watching to the end, and as usual, I'm seeing you